Do you want to get instant notifications for your new Asana task on WhatsApp? Then this video is just for you. So hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. You can create the setup that you can see on the screen without need of any technical coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. With the help of this setup, the benefits are that you will get instant notifications whenever a new task is created. That means you will know that what is going on, what are the tasks, what is the detail, is there any issue, bug or anything. You will be notified instantly and you will be on the same page with your team. With that, if the notification is forwarded in an automated manner, there will be no errors in the notifications that you will receive. First of all, let me show you how this actual workflow is going to work in real time. I am going to create a new task in my Asana account and then I will check whether automatically on my WhatsApp I have received the notification or not. Okay, so let me add in a new task right over here. For the name of this task, I am going to write over here as, so you can see this is my task, create Instagram reel. It's for Ashi Rai. It is due tomorrow. Create Instagram reel to promote our product. So as now I've created this task and on my WhatsApp you will see I have successfully received the notification. New ClickUp task assigned. Hello team, new task has been created in ClickUp. Task name is create Instagram reel. It's for all team members assigned to Ashi Rai. Due date is tomorrow and if I want to see the entire task history, I have received the URL of the task as well, which will be forwarded to this page right here. So now as I have received the notification successfully on WhatsApp, this is how the setup is going to work in real time. Now without wasting any more of our time, let's dive into the creation of this amazing automation. I create automations using Pabbly Connect. As with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications, you can create integration without need of any coding and programming skills. So in order to access Pabbly Connect, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect. You will come to the landing page. Now if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, simply sign up for free from here, using which you will get 100 free tasks. Using the 100 tasks, you can create the setup right away absolutely for free. Test it out from your end how it is going to work for you, and then if you want to purchase our yearly or lifetime plans to get the benefits as well as unlimited tasks of Pabbly Connect, you can use the code ANGYT that you can see on the left side of my screen. The same code is in the description section, using which you will get amazing and instant discounts on the purchase while checking out. To use the code, purchase our plans and automate your business workflows. So now I've already logged into my Pabbly Connect account. That is why I'm on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now after coming to the dashboard, to create a new workflow, go towards this create workflow option. I will select the option of create using quick buildup. With the help of this option, just by giving a simple prompt of what you want, AI will generate you the entire template. Now what I want that. So this is my requirement. As soon as a new task is added in a project in Asana, automatically a text WhatsApp notification should be forwarded to me. I will share this prompt towards this AI. Now it is going to ask me to select certain events according to my requirement and the template will be created. In my Asana account, as soon as a new task is added in a project, automatically using WhatsApp Cloud API, a text message should be forwarded. So this is my requirement. I've selected it. I'll approve and create and open this workflow from here. Now as soon as I will do that, the workflow is going to be created in front of you. Now we're going to simply select the connections and our entire workflow will be created. In my Asana step, go towards this connected option, go towards this add new connection option and click on this connect with Asana option. Now as soon as you will do that, automatically the connection will be created. The connection was super easy because I've already logged into my Asana account on a new tab. For the project, I will select the project as all teams because this is the project in which I'm creating all the tasks. Okay. And then simply I'm going to click on this save and send test request button and it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Asana is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, I will create a new task over here and check whether my trigger captures the response of the data of the new task that I've created or not. Okay, so I'm going to add a task right over here. As soon as I've done that, next I have to name the task, select the assignee, due date as well as add in the description. So I will enter all the details. So I've entered all the details. The title is Weekly Team Meeting Preparation. It's for test user. It's on Friday. That's 22 May 2026. And the description is prepare agenda points, project updates and pending task summaries for this week's team meeting. So as I've added the task, if in my trigger you will check the response is captured. But this response is captured as soon as we have clicked on this add task button. If I'll refresh this section right over here, you will see that automatically two other responses are also captured. And if I will open my last response, you can see I've received a task ID, the person to whom the task was assigned, created at, description, you will see I've received the description. If I further scroll down, you will see I have received this name of the data as well, that was weekly team meeting. If I'll further scroll down, I have received all the other details, created at time. You will see things like the link of the task over here, the due date on which the last day of the task should be completed. Everything has been captured in the trigger. But there is one problem. The problem is that you will see other responses are also captured, and these responses doesn't contain any details about the task that we have created. Only this last response that was captured has the details that we want further. So now we are going to add a filter after this step. Select over here filter by Pabbly, event as filter values and click on this connect button. For the label, what I will do is that I want that in my Asana task, what is the last data that I'm entering? I'm entering the task description. So I will select over here as if this task description is not empty, then only the workflow should be further executed. And if it's empty, the workflow will not work after this filter step. So I'm going to click on the save and send test request button where I've received the status as success and the message as condition is true. So now the display, that's the description of the task. If it is not going to be empty, then only the workflow after this step will be further executed. Okay, now last I want to share a notification. I manage the WhatsApp conversations in my business using WhatsApp Cloud API. In my WhatsApp Cloud API, I've created this API setup. If you want to learn how you can create your own API setup with the help of which you can connect your WhatsApp Cloud API to Pabbly Connect, go towards this step, click on this connect button, go towards this add new connection option and directly go towards this learn more hyperlink. Here you will find the tutorial of the video with the help of which you can create the entire API setup as well as generate the permanent token using which we are going to create the connections. Now we need to provide the token, phone number, ID in the WhatsApp business account ID. You will find all the details in your API setup. Okay, so I will generate the token, copy the details from here and paste it down in this field. So let me show you the data. After entering the details, I will click on the save button and the connection will be created. For the recipient phone number, I will enter my phone number because I want to receive the notification. So for the phone number, I will enter my phone number right here. After that, it is asking for the message. What notification do I want to send to myself? For this, I'm going to write over here as, so this is the template that I have written. New ClickUp task assigned. Hello team. New task has been created in ClickUp, and now over here for the data of these fields, we are going to map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Where you need to map the data, add a slash and search for the name. Now over here, if I'll scroll down, this is the name of the task. So as I want to send this name as a notification, I will select the data from my previous response, which makes this data mapped in dynamic. Now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step of the new task, automatically this data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, I will map the data of the project as well as other details right here. After I've added all the details, I'm going to click on this save and send test request button where I've received this response, which is a positive response, and on my WhatsApp I've received this new notification, new ClickUp task assigned. Hello team, a task has been created, weekly team meeting preparation, all teams, test user is the person who this task is assigned to whom the task is assigned to. Over here the due date is on 22 May 2026 and over here this is the task if I'll open the link. Okay, so as now I've received the WhatsApp notification successfully as soon as the new task was created on Asana. This is how this amazing setup is created and is going to work in real time. Now if you want the free template of this workflow, check out the workflow link in the description section. Do use the code ANGYT that you can see on the left side of my screen. The same code is in the description section as well. So if you have any questions or doubts related to this setup, comment down below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.